Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cloudy skies out there this morning. Going to see those clouds really start to thicken in the lower levels for the late morning and the afternoon hours, and we'll see some rain showers moving in the region. Some of the rain could be moderate at times today as we move into the late afternoon and the evening hours. Looking at our current surface analysis, we have stationary boundary along the coastal Carolinas and the southeast coast, as well as an upper level disturbance riding along that boundary over the southeast states. It's currently providing South Carolina, Georgia, up into North Carolina, and even into Virginia this morning. Some rainfall and some locations in the Piedmont seeing some freezing rain. Here at Wallops, we're just seeing some cloudy skies. Going to continue to see this rainfall move towards the region for the late morning and the afternoon hours. Our current conditions this morning, we have several different cloud layers out there, but we do have a ceiling currently at 25,000 feet. Our winds out of the northeast at 60 degrees at 8 knots, temperature 49 degrees, and relative humidity at 80%. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we have a good amount of cloud cover across the region, especially in the mid and upper levels. See some low-level cloud cover off the coast. We'll be seeing this thick overcast deck of clouds moving towards the region for the afternoon hours and the late morning hours. You'll see some low-level cloud cover start to increase. Tidewater currently seeing some ceilings in the 500 to 700 foot range, so that low-level cloud cover is going to start moving towards our area once this rainfall starts moving towards our region as well. Looking at our radar this morning, you can see we do have that freezing rain across the Piedmont and the Appalachians this morning. We have some rainfall starting to build into the region from North Carolina, central North Carolina, and central Virginia. It's going to be moving towards our region for late morning and the afternoon hours. Looking at our 3-kilometer AM model for today, you're going to see that rainfall build in. This is at noon today. That rainfall really starting to build in the area. And then once we get afternoon today, we'll have rain likely pretty much for the remainder of the day, especially towards the late afternoon, the evening hours. Going to see some rainfall in the region. This is at 7 p.m. or 1900 local, then 20 local. You can see we have some heavier rainfall after 20 local today, and then for the overnight hours, we'll have some heavier showers just off the coast. Can't rule out where there's heavy rain showers moving in to the Wallops region for the overnight hours, as well as a slight chance of a embedded thunderstorm, as we do have a very strong warm front moving through the region, as well as an upper level disturbance moving towards the region as well. Moving to the late to mid overnight hours, here is 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. You can see the 3-kilometer AM really clears it out before we bring in more rain showers and a possible embedded thunderstorm with an additional upper level disturbance moving through the region, as well as a cold front, and that could provide us with enough lift to provide us with a thunderstorm embedded within the showers. Then move into Saturday afternoon and the evening hours. We'll see mostly cloudy skies, breezier conditions with a drying southwesterly westerly wind. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a yellow for precipitation this morning. Fairly light winds today, east-northeast at 7-12 knots this afternoon, with an orange for our rain. So rain likely for the afternoon and evening hours, and then we'll have rainfall in the area during the evening, late evening to the overnight hours, with some of that rain possibly heavy at times with those heavier showers just off the coast. Our ceilings will lower this morning, and with any rain showers, we'll see those ceilings even lower, seeing a possibility of ceilings below 500 feet this morning, and then likely chance of that during the afternoon and evening hours, and then during the overnight hours, we'll have ceilings below 500 feet. Looking at our next 24 hours, we'll have ceilings starting to lower by 10 o'clock down to 1,000 feet with a chance of a rain shower, and ceilings down to 700 feet. Then afternoon, we'll see ceilings down to 600 feet, and those ceilings between 1,000 and 300 feet will remain over the area from noon until Saturday morning, with abundant low cloudiness across the region. And by Saturday at 8 local, we'll just see some low-level cloud cover out there, some mist possible, a slight chance of that rain shower, but our heaviest rainfall looks like it will come between 200 local, or 20 local I should say, and 6 a.m. Saturday morning. So looking like that's our best chance of rainfall and our best chance of seeing any heavy rainfall, as well as a 10% chance of an embedded thunderstorm. Our tides are slightly above normal. And looking at Saturday into Sunday, Saturday will have rain likely with a slight chance of embedded thunderstorm through early afternoon. You can see on the 3 kilometer we had that break in the early morning hours with the rain coming through as a line during the late morning into the early afternoon hours. Then will remain mostly cloudy for the late afternoon evening. It'll be breezy and mild with a high of 61 degrees for Saturday. We'll have that orange for precipitation, winds and ceilings, and a yellow for our lightning. Saturday we'll have mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies, breezy and cooler. Saturday night, breezy and cooler temperatures, a low of 42 degrees. Our winds with a yellow, winds will be gusting around 24 knots, 25 knots. So can't rule out that wind criteria at the 25 knot for Saturday night. And Sunday, well, mostly sunny, partly cloudy skies, breezy conditions with a high of 52 degrees. We'll have those winds as well, near 25 knots for Sunday afternoon. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. to look at the next 7 days.